But what's so funny is these books that are kind of like, basically they're trying to unravel how do habits work, how do we change them, that kind of stuff. What's so funny is they recognize things just from observation about how they see habits working and changing in people that the Bible already talks about. Like, it's been there, it's been explained like 2,000 years ago in the Bible, and these people are like presenting it like, look what we've discovered from all our research. It's like, yeah, you discovered what God told us. So, I mean, that's cool, you found it. But I mean, what they're doing is the same thing that anybody, you might not be a believing scientist, but when you observe creation, you can observe universal realities at play. And so I think what's happened a lot of times with these guys who have looked into the kind of the psychology of it is they've observed universal realities about habits that are true. So here's James Clear writing in his book, Atomic Habits. The key to building lasting habits is focusing on creating a new identity first. Huh. Well, James, you're exactly right. Here he goes on. Your current behaviors are simply a reflection of your current identity. What you do now is a mirror image of the type of person you believe that you are, either consciously or subconsciously. Reckon yourself dead to sin. Isn't that funny? I mean, this guy just wrote that, but it's very similar to what we read about in the Bible. You have to assume the identity of a saint. And here's the thing. Here's the big difference on this front with identity. What they'll tell you about habits, people that aren't talking about it in view of the Bible, is they'll tell you, yeah, you have to take on this identity first. And so an example would be like, say you want to become a cellist, someone who plays the cello. You can tell yourself, in the mirror every day, I am Yo-Yo Ma. Or, say, I'm a world-class cellist. I'm a world-class cellist. I'm a world-class cellist. And you kind of convince yourself, yeah, and since I'm a world-class cellist, what would a world-class cellist do? Oh, well, a world-class cellist would practice the cello today. It's hard to say the word cello over and over again. Cellist. Anyway, but what is that? I mean, it's sort of like a fake it till you make it approach, right? But here's like a critical difference between this and what the Bible talks about. You're not faking it. When you reckon yourselves dead to sin, when you reckon that I am a new creation in Christ Jesus, you are not faking it. When you reckon that sin now no longer has power over me to make me obey its lust, I can fight sin. I can put off bad habits. When you do that, you are not pretending. You are actually, by faith, acknowledging a present spiritual reality and living into that. That's totally different, right? Totally different. That clip was from my podcast, The Redeeming Productivity Show. Click here to watch the full unedited episode, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on a Christian approach to personal productivity.